Let us study about genders. Masculine gender, feminine gender. Brother, sister. Bull, cow. Nephew, niece. Waiter, waitress. Horse, mare. God, goddess. Peacock, peahen. Milkman, milkmaid. Hero, heroine. King, queen. Monk, nun. Lion, lioness. Uncle, aunt. Poet, poetess. Husband, wife. Master, mistress. He goat, she goat. Tiger, tigress. Man, woman. Son, daughter. Governor, governess. Emperor, empress. Host, hostess. Priest, priestess. Duke, duchess. Gander, goose. Fox, vixen. Drake, duck. Dog, beach. Nephew, niece. Actor, actress. Landlord, landlady. Cock, hen. Ram, ewe. Wizard, witch. Peacock, peahen. Sir, madam. Father, mother. Bridegroom, bride. Gentleman, lady.